Hello YouTube. Well, I'm gonna do a unboxing today from Arrow Video, the Blu-ray limited edition of Bride of the Re-Animator. Bride of Re-Animator, really. It's pretty interesting. They did a new 2K transfer of the unrated version and the rated R version. So let's get this unboxing going. Let me get my knife out. It has a tons of new feature, a new documentary. We also get a reprint of the 1992 comic prequel to Re-Animator, which I'm kind of interested to read. Let me make sure I don't cut this. This is a very sharp knife. Don't want to cut the box up. Here we go. I gotta say, the green color pops out. I don't know, you're not gonna really see it, but it really pops out in there. As always, they got these little stickers on them. This is the flap that goes in the back. I keep these. I don't know why, but I just keep them. And here it is. Little artwork in the back. And the first thing I take out little work print card. Make a note of it. The card says, make a note of it. Arrow Video requests the pleasure of your company on the most joyous of occasion. Their director-approved 3-disc edition release of Bride of Re-Animator, oozing with bonus features, Re-Animator, genre. Invites can expect drinks, dancing, some nibbles, and the occasional bout of tissue rejection. Be sure to bring a loved one, alive or otherwise. Basically a wedding invitation. That's pretty cool. Awesome. A booklet. This is the original VHS artwork, from what I remember. This is a DVD set right here. See the card, the booklet. Yeah. Now, one is the Blu-ray, is the unrated version. The DVD is the unrated version on DVD. And the R-rated version is on Blu-ray. As you can see, just beautiful, beautifully packed. And one in here, the booklet. Wow, it's thick. The green really pops out. In the back. Yeah, this is the 1992 reprint of the comic book. And it's really thick. Looks like it has a couple of issues. That's the cover of number 3. So I'm guessing it was 3 issues, or more than 3 issues, or 4 issues probably. About 3 issues. I'm gonna read this. I'm impressed with this. I like it. Glad I brought it. If you want to look at it the way it looks when you finally put it together, this is how it looks. I don't know, I keep these flaps on. Well, hope you like this unboxing. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram.